guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in a Christmas ornament challenge hosted by Heidi Samble and Natalie from Design to the Nines. We are supposed to make our DIY Christmas ornaments. I will be making several of them just to show you different ways. Mine are all budget friendly. Most materials come from a Dollar Tree or Dollarama because I am in Canada. So make sure you check out Natalie's channel and Heidi's channel, which will be linked down below, as well as the playlist for this challenge. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Sonia, and I do these sort of videos very often, several times a week, especially in the next 2 months. So make sure you're subscribed if you like this video and have that notification bell on so you don't miss out any of the videos that are coming up. And those of you returning, thank you so much. I am so glad that for your continuous support. So without further ado, I will get started. The supplies that you will need for all three different ornaments that I will be making are as follows. You will need some fillable ornaments. Even though I'm not filling them, I just needed clear ornaments. You will need a couple different paints, especially white one. I am using a paint tray and some paint brushes, sandpaper, Mod Podge, Jenga blocks or tumbling tower game blocks from Dollar Tree, some wood slices from Dollar Tree. Then I have these stamps with just different sayings and an ink pad, some nautical rope, some different pattern paper, and a drill. So the first project that I will be working on is with these blocks. So you will need blocks, you will need paint, you will need stamps and a stamp pad, a paintbrush, a drill, and some rope. So first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take 4 of these and I'm going to drill a hole in them. If you do not feel comfortable using a drill, you can always hot glue the rope. I am going to paint the blocks, but very lightly. I don't want too much paint. Once these have some time to dry, you can take a sandpaper and just distress the edges a little bit just to make it look a little bit antiqued. And now I'm going to take my stamper and my stamp. You can also make sure that the edges are clean before you stamp. Here they are on a tree. I think they look really cute. So for the next project, you will need the wood slices and several different colors of paint, and I will just pick the biggest, like the bigger ones, not the really tiny ones. And you will also need some hot glue for this one, which I did not mention. So first thing is I'm going to lightly paint the bodies. Now you can hot glue them together like this, and I will also cut a piece of rope for hanging. Draw the paint the face and the buttons. Hot glue the rope. Hot glue the body. I think this is my favorite one. last one, you will need the clear ornaments, Mod Podge, the brush, nautical rope, hot glue, and some sort of a pattern paper. I have chosen this one, so I am just going to cut myself a piece, and I'm going to take one of these, add some Mod Podge, and I'm going to cover, and I'm going to put it on, making sure that it goes on as straight as possible. And then on the edges, I'm going to just put some hot glue and take the nautical rope and just add to it. So I'm just going to go a little bit different direction, and I cut up a less pattern paper, and I cut up strips, and I'm applying the glue Mod Podge directly to the strips, and I have a feeling that this will go a little bit smoother. So this has definitely worked a bit better than the other way around. This is what they look like on a tree. I think they do look really, really nice. I think the rope does add extra touch to it. This one was definitely easier to make than that one. So I would like to thank Natalie and Heidi for hosting this challenge. Like I said, make sure you go check out their channels. They're great channels for DIYs, decor, and some cleaning. So lots of different motivation on their channels. So make sure you go check them out, as well as the playlist that's linked down below. Until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.